Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Trigger warning. Lolo. When I was about 8 to 9 years old, our Lolo frequently visited us. He lived in another city so we did not see him that often. Pero yun na nga, for a few weeks, he frequently visited us. During those visits, I caught him watching porn. Due to my innocence, I said, alam ko yan. Nakita ko kasi yung video na yun sa tablet ko dati na ginagamit din ng papa ko. After that, I told Lolo that what the girl was doing was wrong. Dapat hawakan muna yung thigh bago mag-kiss, sabi ko. I'm not proud of this part. I genuinely thought this was all just a game. After saying that, Lolo put my hands up to his thigh and slid my hands up to his shorts. I felt it. I felt his are. I thought it was normal so I did not say anything. After doing that, he slid his hands in my shorts and proceeded to touch me. This lasted for a month. I forgot most of what happened kasi ngayong tumanda na ako, napagtanto ko na sobrang fucked up ng ginawa niya. I'm utterly disgusted, not just at him, but at my body too. Lagi akong binabangungot na nangyayari ulit yung araw na yun. Kaya minsan, napapaisip na lang ako, what if hindi na lang ako nagsalita that time and just went on with my day? Maybe, just maybe, I wouldn't be so fucked up right now.